Good morning, Shane. Bye, Bang. Good morning. Hi. Good morning, Xing, Xing, Xing. Harry, hi. Good morning. Where is my Bang? Hello.
Hi, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning,
How are you
teacher.
today? Have you taken your breakfast already?
Yes.
Okay, very good. What did you eat for your breakfast? Hi, Anna. Good morning, Anna. Good morning, Anna. Harry. Hi.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Ka. Okay, so we have Shane, Harwich, Bang, Anna. Okay, while we are waiting for the others, can we sing first our good morning song?
Good morning.
I want you to sing, all of you sing our good morning song. You know it already, right? Our good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Anna. Okay, can you sing it? Harriet, Shane, Bang, Anna. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Shane, sing it. Bang, sing. Harriet. I'm fine. Thank you. Good morning, class.
Good morning,
Good
class.
morning, classmate.
You say, good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmate.
Teacher. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmate.
Yes. Okay. Can you say it by Bang and Shane and Anna? Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmate. Okay? Okay, so for today is, are you ready for our lesson for today? We are now in our science. Okay, before we go on further, I want you to prepare this one, this worksheet with you.
Yes.
Okay, you have this one?
Harit no have.
Harris, you don't have this one, Harris, because you are in Bangkok, Harris, right? Yes, Anna, that one. Bang, you have this one, Bang? Can you prepare this one, Bang? And also Shane, you have this one, Shane? You have this worksheet with you? Okay, you prepare first this one, so we can start. Harris, you have to answer, Harris, okay? You help us answer here, Harris. We have many questions here today. Okay, that one by Bang, yes, that one by Bang, very good. And Shane, this one. Oh, you cooperate already. Okay, Shane, very good. You have to just to cooperate here, Shane. We have many questions here, Shane. You help us to answer, okay? Okay, now let us start. I prepared this one for you.
No.
You have to listen to this one. Look at this one. Okay, just a minute.
Just a minute. รอแป๊บนึง
Okay, I prepare this one for you. Okay, welcome to our science class. Okay, and for today we will our topic for today is about colors and colors. Okay, so we will talk today about colors. Okay, and I want you all to prepare this worksheet.
โอ้
แม่จะบอก
เติม
ว่า
สี
Okay, prepare this worksheet with you. An
No.
item is coming.
มีชีสแล้วก็นม
Okay. Okay, item. Harith, you don't have worksheet, but very good, Harith. You are attending the Zoom class. You are very good, Harith. Okay. Okay, item. Hi, item. Good morning, item. Can you prepare this worksheet item? Okay, item, prepare this worksheet. And now let us start. I want you to listen to this short song.
The Singing Walrus.
About
Rainbow color.
Tell me, what do you see?
I see an apple and it's red.
Tell me, what do you see?
I see a carrot and it's orange.
Tell me, what do you see?
I see a lemon and it's yellow.
Tell me, what do you see?
I see a frog and it's green.
Rainbow colors everywhere.
Red, orange, yellow, green.
Rainbow colors everywhere.
Blue, purple, pink.
Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink.
Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink.
Tell me, what do you see?
I see a fish and it's blue.
Tell me, what do you see?
I see a flower and it's purple.
Tell me, what do you see?
I see a flamingo and it's pink.
Rainbow colors everywhere.
Red, orange, yellow, green.
Rainbow colors everywhere.
Blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink.
Many questions here that you're going to answer, okay? Okay, then.
Red,
Very good, then. You
Red.
already ready?
orange,
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 yellow,
yellow,
green,
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 blue,
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 purple,
purple,
pink.
pink. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink.
Rainbow colors everywhere.
Red, orange, yellow, green.
Rainbow colors everywhere.
Blue, purple, pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink.
orange,
Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, pink.
Okay, you like it? That is a very nice song about colors, okay? Now let's go to this one. Let's now continue. Okay, I prepared this one. So I will check. Look at this one.
Hello.
Okay. I want you to cooperate this one because we have a lot of questions here about colors. Okay. Can you tell me what this is? Anybody can tell me what is this? This cat is color. Can you tell me this? Can you read this one? Shane, Baiban, Harich. Yeah. Okay, this one. This cat is color black. So where is the color black in here? Have you seen the color black here? Because we are going to color this one. No. This one? No. How about this one?
Yes.
Yes. This one is black. So we're going to color the cat color black. Okay?
It's yellow.
Go to this one.
This cat is
Can you tell me?
Yellow.
Can you?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yes. This flower is yellow. So can you text
Yellow.
here? Where's the color yellow here? So we can color the flower. No.
No.
This
No.
one. No, where? This one?
No.
How about this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yellow.
This one. Okay. Okay, all of you needs to answer, okay? All of you open your mouth, look at here. And how about this one? Can you tell
Brown.
me? Okay, the cow is color what?
Brown.
Brown. Okay. Can you tell me the color brown here? This one?
Cow is
No.
brown.
This one? No. How about this one?
Kemudian.
No. How about this one? No. How about this? Yes.
Brown.
This one is color brown. You are very good. Now let's continue. How about this one? Blue. Okay, the book is color blue. And where is the color blue here? This one? I think this one. No? This one? How about this? How about this? Yes.
Blue.
So we are going to color this color blue. Okay? Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, can you read this one? Red. Okay. The pen is, this pen is color red. So where is the color red here? This one? No? This one? This one? No? How about this one? This one? No. How about this one? This one? Yes.
Red.
It's color red. Okay? Red. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay. Any kind of purple. Very good. Marble is okay. So this marble is purple. So where is the purple color purple here? This one? This one? No? How about this one? How about this one? No, how about this one? How about this one? Yes.
Purple.
Okay, we color the marble color purple. And now let's go to the next. Okay, how about this one? Snake is gray. Gray. Okay, the color of the snake is color gray. So where's the color gray here? Is this the one? Color gray? Is this color gray? No. This one? How about this one? What color is this? Orange. How about this one? No. How about this? Pink. Okay, so this one is not. Okay, how about this?
No.
And also this one? No.
No.
And how about this? Gray.
Gray.
Yes. This one is color gray. So somebody is coming. Hi. Good morning. Then you have to answer it then. Okay, look at her first. Okay, let's enjoy this one then. This is very nice. Then look at here. And also Nisha, Anna, Harris. You have to also to answer item. Item, look at here. Okay, you have to cooperate. Let's all answer this one together. Okay. How about this one? Green. Okay. Can you tell me what is the color green here? Is this the one? Is this color green? No. How about this one? No. How about this one? Okay. And this one? Yes.
Green.
This one is color green. So we color the one is color green. And how about this one?
ดูภาพเนี่ยดูภาพกับทิชเชอร์เนี่ย
What color? Orange. Okay, where is the color orange here? Is this the one?
ไหนนี่สีอะไร
Is this?
No.
No.
This is the one?
No.
Okay. How about this?
No.
No. Okay, and how about this one?
สีอะไร
No.
This one. How about this?
สีอะไร
Red.
Yes.
Orange.
Orange. That is color orange. So now let's go to this one. The bear is color what?
White.
White. Okay,
White.
what is the color white
White.
here? Is this the color white?
Teacherถาม
Huh?
No.
No.
Oh, and how about this one?
ใช่ไหมเนี่ย
No.
ดู
No. And how about this?
นี่อะไรไว้อะสีไหน
No.
No.
And then?
Yes.
Yes.
White.
It's color white. Okay? Okay, now let's go to this one.
White.
Look at this.
อะไร
อ่านว่าอะไรคะ
Okay, just a minute. Okay, now let's go to
ลิ้นนั่งลง
เกมแน่เลย
let's
เนี่ย
go to this one. I want you to also answer this one. Let's play this
เฟอร์รี่เหรอ
game. Just a minute.
สีอะไรดู
I will double check.
ดูสีอะไรเชอรี่
Okay, just a minute.
อันนี้ดูสีแล้วตอบ
Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay. No, this
มาดู
one
ดู
is
นี่ลูกนี่เชอรี่สีอะไร
this
เนี่ย
one is cherries.
เชอรี่
Okay. What is the color of the cherries?
Red.
Red. So what is the color red here? Can you read?
ได้
Any?
เปิด
This
ไหม
one? Is this color red?
สีอะไรเนี่ยเชอรี่
Is this one?
ตาล้อง
This one?
เยลโล่
No.
No. How about this one? Is this color red?
No.
And how about this?
เรดไหม
Yes.
Red.
Color red. Okay. And now let's go to this one.
ทำคำศัพท์อันนี้เขาเรียก
The
อะไร
sun. What is the color?
สัน
Yellow. Okay, can you read the color yellow here? This is color yellow.
No.
And how about
No.
no? And how about this?
นี่อะไร
How about this?
No.
And then how about this one?
สโล
How about this?
Yellow.
Is this correct? Is this color yellow? Yes.
Yellow.
Color yellow. And let's go to this one now. Okay, how about this one? Butterfly.
ฝ่าย
What is the color of the butterfly? Blue. And where's the color blue here? Is this color red?
คิดว่า
No.
คิดว่าอะไร
Is it one?
โอ้
This one? And how about this?
ฝ่าย
Yes.
Blue.
Color blue. The butterfly is color blue. And how about this one?
Green เหรอ
Okay. This name is
ฟิน
color green. Is this color green?
โน
อันนี้ใช่ไหม
No.
No.
How about this?
Green.
กรีนก็คือ
Yes.
Green.
This one is color green. Okay.
มันไม่ต้องได้แล้ว
All of you have to cooperate here because I am watching you. Okay, where is item? Also, open your mouth, item. Okay, you have to cooperate. Okay, what is this?
What is this?
Okay.
Pumpkin.
Flamingos are color.
อ่า
Okay, where is the color pink here? Is this the color pink? Is this the one?
อันนี้ใช้คำว่า
Can you read this one? No.
No.
Okay. How about this one?
อันนี้ใช่ไหม P I N
ดิ้ง
Yes.
Pink.
Flamingos are pink. Okay.
แล้วน้องพูด
And how about this one?
flower
นะคะ
flower is อะไร
Flowers. What is the color?
flower
Purple. Okay, very good.
is
This one is is this the one? Is this color purple? How about this one?
purple
Green.
green
No. And how about this one?
ใช่ไหมคะ
purple red purple
This one.
P
Is
L
this okay?
Purple.
This one is color purple. Okay. And now let's go to this one.
นี่อะไร
How
นะ
about this one?
อะไรลูกส้มสีอะไร
ส้มสีส้มภาษาอังกฤษว่า
Orange
Orange. That one is
นี่ใช่ไหม
no
No
No.
Oh. And how about this one?
ไม่ใช่ no
No.
No.
And how about this?
อันนี้ใช่ไหมคะ
orange
เป็นไหม
Orange.
Orange.
Yes, that is orange. You are all very good. And now we go to this one.
อันนี้อะไรเนี่ย
Okay. These clouds are white. Very good. So is this color white?
ไหม
no
How about this one?
อันนี้
ท้อง
Is
ฟ้า
it the
สี
one?
เมฆ
No. How about this?
ไว้อันนี้ก้า
Gray. Okay. Now, how about this one?
นี่ใช่ไหม
This one is color white. Okay. This one is color white. You can see
ไว้
it
ไว้
on the top. Okay. This one is color white. Okay. And how about this one?
This is color.
this suit
Color.
How about this one?
สีอะไร
This suit is color. What color is this?
red
Gray. Okay, where is the color gray here? Can you tell me? Okay, what? Can you read this one? Can you read this one for
เหลื
me?
องใช่ไหม
อันนี้ใช่ไหมใช่เกรย์ไหม
Read this one. Okay, yellow. How about this one? Can you read this one?
orange
Can
red
you read? Can you read this one for me? Read. Read this one. Orange. Okay. So we are looking gray, right? We are looking gray. Now let's go to this one. What color is this?
อันนี้ใช่ไหม
This one is red, right? And how about this one? Pink. Can you read? Okay, read this one for me. Pink. Okay, this one is?
นี่ล่ะ
This one is purple. Okay, purple. And then this one is blue. Okay, look at here. Blue. This one is? This one is, can you read this one?
green
Green. And how about this? Can you read this one?
brown
Brown. And
brown
ไม่เกรย์
this one? Yes. This is the one that we are looking for. This is gray.
Gray.
Okay. Food is color gray. And now let's go to this one. How about this one? How about this one?
This
This picture is color what?
สีอะไร
Color
นี่คือ
what?
สีอะไร
Brown. Okay, this is
brown
color brown.
เป็นใช่ไหม
No.
no
No.
No.
So how about what is the color brown here? I think this one.
brown
เปล่า
What is one?
orange
Okay, this one is color brown, right? Is this the one? The one? Brown. Yes.
Brown.
Brown. Okay, now let's go to this one. Cat.
cat eat อะไรดู
What is the color of the cat? What is the color of the
ดำ
cat?
หางสีดำ black
Black.
หางสีด
Black. And where is the color black
Yeah.
here? Look at here. No.
Green, right?
How about this one?
ำ brown
How about this?
black
อันนี้ใช่แบนไหม
Black. Yes, this one is color black. Okay, so you know already very well about color. So I am so happy and very proud of you, Kiku. You are all very smart. Now I want to go to math. You are all very good. You are answering very well. You are very good. K2. Now we will go to this. Okay, let's go to this one. I want you to check your worksheet now. We are going to color this one.
มาเลย
Okay. We are going to color this one.
เอาเลยระบายเลย
Okay, you need to follow the instructions. What is the color? The color that is asking here. Okay, don't color any color. Okay, you know already very well the color, right? You know very well the color, so you can answer this worksheet already. Okay, I will have you this one. Okay, I will color this. I will color this one. This is an example. Yes, very good, Jane. You didn't answer it already? Okay, you finish it. So let us color this one. The balloon here. Let's color. Can you read this one?
No.
No.
This one. Read the color. We're going to color this one. Color. Green. What color is this? Can you read?
Oh, this.
This one. This balloon.
Balloon.
Green.
Balloon.
Okay. We first go to the red. Okay. This one is asking here. You have to color this balloon color red.
Red.
So we need to color the balloon color red. Okay? Okay, don't color any other color, okay? And this one.
Red.
Okay, now let's go to green. Okay, you need to color. Yes, yes, Shane, very good. You have to color this balloon color green because you're asking here to color green. Okay? You have to follow the color that is asking here. And let's go to this one. Can you read this one? What color we're going to color this one?
อันนี้ red.
Pink. Okay. So we color the balloon color pink. And how about this one?
ระบายค่ะ
Orange.
ตอบทีเชอร์ก่อน อันนี้
Okay.
สีอะไร สีอะไร
So we are going to color the balloon color orange. So you need to follow the instruction, okay? You need to follow the instruction on what color you're going to use.
Yellow.
This one is color. What color is what we're going to color this one here? Blue. Very good. And for this one, we're going to color this one color.
สีอะไรมองก่อน
Color.
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. So you know already how to answer your worksheet, right? And you can do the drawing. You can color also like that. So you can make your work beautiful, more creative, okay? You can do like this. You know already how to answer?
You can do.
Okay, you have to
You can do.
follow
แม่ถาม
color. You only have to color the color that is asking.
and
Yes,
Okay,
I
now
can.
you can answer it already.
อย่างนี้สีแดง
You know already what to do, right?
I want to try.
Okay, so you have to color only the. Okay, now I will send you to. Okay, this one.
ระบายให้มันอยู่ในกรอบสิ
Okay.
ลิศไม่มีงาน
Okay.
ดูอันดูจะไป
Okay.
นี้
So
ฝั่งนี้เยลโล่เส้นนี้เยลโล่นะเส้นที่3เยลโล่อ่ะเยลโล่เส้นที่3นี่
okay, so you
อันนี้
have
แห
you
ละนี่
answered
แหละ
already your worksheet?
เส้นที่
Have you
3
answered already your worksheet? You know how to answer already? Okay, Kitu. I just want to post this one just a minute because our time is almost up. Okay, you also have to.
เป็นเนาะ
You also have to.
ใช่อันเดียวกัน
Rainbow.
สบายครับ
Where is
เย
it?
ลโล่เสร็จย่างไปกรีน
I cannot go to that
ก
level.
รีนเส้นที่4กรีนเส้นที่4กรีน
I just want to say.
ระบายให้มันอยู่ในเส้นดี
Okay.
ๆเส้นต่อไปบู
Yes. Okay, and then our time is already up. I hope you can answer everything. Okay, Kiko, have you answered already? Pat, Shane is finished. And Shane is finished. Pat, are you finished, Pat? Kaibang, are you coloring
มันชอบ
Kaibang?
พูดสีม่วง
Item, are you coloring?
นะให้ท่านพิเศษกัน
Then, are you finished answering this one then, right? Okay, Item, very good. Kaibang, you also finished? Anna? Shah?
สวยๆสิคะ
Okay, okay, Kitu, thank you so much. Our time is already up. You have to finish answering it. If you are not finished, I know you can answer it. You can color it already. And I want to say thank you to all of
ไม่
you.
สีอะไรลูก
I want
white
to say your heart
White.
sign because our time is already up.
บ๊ายบายเจอแล้วเจอใครแล้ว
Thank you.
Thank you, Kitu. Bye bye. Shane, I want to see your heart sign.
Thank you, teacher.
Aku teacher
Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye.
Shane, item, Harwich, bye-bye. Then, Anna. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for
Chin, từ,
bye bye
Chin, làm lại. Trời ơi.
น้องเก่งนะเนี่ยระวังเดี๋ยวถือไว้ลูกไว้นี่
Okay, so
Hỏi lên đuôi nào.
thank you so much. Bye, thank you, bye.
Quay tròn lời.
Thank you, I love you, Kitu.
นั่นนะทิชเชอร์บ๊ายบายเลย
Bye bye. Nhìn chị hỏi nha.
สีแบบนั้นนะ